my God. I've made up my mind. Don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. Don't need to look no further. This in us. I know this is love. But if I tell the world, I'll never say enough, 'cause it was not said to you. And that's exactly what I need to do if I'm in love with you. Ah,
There'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, 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 rain. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Daddy can't even look me in the eye. If I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Say, there goes my little girl, walking with a troublesome guy.
I'd build myself up and fly around in circles, wait then as my heart drops and my back begins to tingle finally. Could this be? Could this be? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a waste, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there, even if it leads nowhere? Ooh, ooh.
Don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. That'll make it right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies
If I lose you, baby, or would it be a waste, even if I knew my place?
If you walk away,
Every day it will rain.